This is Pittsburgh Pat, and this is an unboxing video for the TOZO wireless earbuds NC20. These are really cool earbuds. I'm going to show you what's in the box in this video. So we got a charging cable, USB-C, and the earbuds themselves. So let's slide them out of here like so. And tells you like the percentage. Here's where the earbuds come in, like that. You can plug in the charger like so, and the earbuds are here. And there's little pieces of plastic or paper here to prevent them from being activated in transit. So take those off like so. There we go. And next I will show you how to pair them to your device.